Okay. You don't always get it the first time. Okay. This time I'll do it where I can see it myself. Okay. You can see it's back in place. Okay. Now we'll just take our finger, kind of move the washer around where it falls right into the little hole and push it down in there. Okay, now it's tightly and firm in place. Now we're going to take our cartridge, this piece here, slide it back in the position that it was before. Push it down a little, get it in there. Okay, and our packing nut, the nut that holds it in place here. Okay. Screw that down. Once again, told you before that if you have any kind of leakage or seepage up under the handle itself that's coming about right here, once again, just tighten this packing nut here. This stem nut. Okay. Now let's put the handle back on. Lost the view here. What's good about this particular faucet is that when you do have a stem that goes bad and the handle no longer works on it, the handle may be stripped out on it, you can just replace the stem in most cases and put the same handle back on, not unless the handle itself is messed up. Okay. Okay, we got that one in place. Now let's get the screw back on here. Screw. Okay, now we've done that, let's resituate the camera where we can see what else that may keep water from flowing through your faucet. Another way of stopping it or slowing the pressure down. Now, like I've said, another way that prevents water from coming through your faucet, check your aerator. This particular part here is called the aerator. Okay, this screws off, and in most cases it do screw off with your hand. If not, just grab your pliers and turn it. Okay. What happens with this is sometimes you will have sand and dirt buildup or calcium buildup that'll build up right in here and just clog all those little holes up. And when that happens, that stops the water from coming through. So when you go to turn the water on, you're not getting any water, and you don't know why. But this is the most simplest way to figure out. This is the first thing you would do, is take this aerator off to find out why the water's not coming through or why the pressure is low. And that's real simple. You just take it apart, clean it, wash it, put it back, and that's it. That's all to it. Be surprised how many houses I go to, say they're not getting any water, and go to pull that off, and they see the dirt in it, and now they're upset because it's like, wow, I could have done that. But fortunately. Okay, let's get this water back on. There we go. Now let's move on to our next project. Now in this video, we won't cover too much of how to unstop drains or how to unclog them, but there are a few little techniques that you could learn. First, there's one. Have you ever tried to go and plunge the face bowl and to find that you're not getting anywhere? Here's a little trick that I've learned I'd like to show you. What you want to do, grab a rag, turn the water on for a minute, and get the rag wet. Okay, we're still going to use the plunger though. But this time there's a little hole on the side of the face bowl right here that you probably never paid too much attention of. Whenever you go to plunge, all it does is the air circulates and comes right back out of this hole. So what you want to do is take your wet rag, cover the hole up nice and tight, get a nice seal so that the air doesn't come back up through here and will go through where you want it to. Then plunge. Okay.